Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to unmute someone's posts on Instagram feeds easy and quick. First, go to Instagram feeds, and now let's go to any account like uh, wait, first if you want to see people you muted, just click these two lines and then go to privacy, and here you will find muted, and you will find accounts that you have muted before like this one, and now just click unmute, and that's it. This profile now is unmuted, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.